Chanzu, where we house so many courts, and you kindly gave us land last year to establish a court in Mtwapa. And indeed, if you are able to set it up tomorrow, I will send you magistrates there. This was not a roadside declaration that I made when we met with His Excellency the Governor. This is indeed founded in our vision, the social transformation through access to justice, that we will ensure that every sub-county has a court, because there are Kenyans there who deserve judicial services, and we have a duty to ensure that justice is taken there. So thank you very much for agreeing to partner with the judiciary so that we can serve the people of Kilifi efficiently. I start by applauding the presiding judge and all the judges of the Environment and Land Court and the entire organizing committee of the ELC at 10 conference for coming up with an excellent program marked by very innovative ways of public outreach to sensitize the public about the role of ELC and the way we provide environmental and land justice to our people. We keep saying we serve our people, and therefore the people must be at the center of our service delivery. They must understand how we operate, and we must get feedback from them the way they want us to serve them. I have followed keenly your tree planting drive around the country, and I applaud you for this practical way of showing the public the need for all of us to join hands to conserve our environment and to protect it. I received a very warm, encouraging message from an elderly man who is a member of my clan, but he doesn't live in Meru. He lives somewhere where you went to plant trees. I think it is Gong, where the judges went to plant trees. And he asked me, how has the judiciary transformed such that the judges can leave their robes and go to plant trees for them in Gong? He was completely mesmerized that judges can go and plant trees. And I said, I will tell them that we have really been admired for stepping and reaching out to the people that we serve. And this is what I would call my self-active justice, which is embodied in the Constitution and reinforced by our commitment to social transformation through access to justice. As Judge Wanjara has said, it is now a decade since our court was established. Much has changed within, and much has transpired in between, and what happened in the environment and land justice space over the time, where we started with 15 judges serving the entire country. Today, we celebrate that we have 53 judges serving in different court stations throughout the country. Moreover, within that period, there has been significant jurisprudential developments that have gone a long way to align our laws, to align the way we do things with the transformational aspirations that are provided for in our Constitution. Therefore, as aptly captured by the theme of this conference, it is time to reflect on the journey the court has traveled over the last 10 years. We must ask ourselves whether ELC has lived to the expectations of Kenyans in creating a specialized court focused on addressing environment and land conflicts. Also, knowing the centrality of land and environment, the question we should be asking ourselves every day is, how is our land and how is our environment? Yesterday, I attended another equally powerful symposium to celebrate children, because this month in the judiciary, we focus on justice for children. And therefore, at that conference, we resolved to be asking ourselves every day, how are our children doing? So in the same vein, from this conference, we should always be asking ourselves how our land and how our environment is doing. Because I think both the three are very, very critical to us. Our children, our land, and our environment. Am I correct? We must also ask ourselves whether ELC has deepened access to justice. But that is not all. In addition, the 10-year anniversary celebration is also an opportunity to look into the future and think of the challenges that remain and those that are likely to emerge as the court begins its second decade and how to tackle the challenges. Moreover, we must also look at the opportunities that will come with this second decade and see how we can exploit these opportunities to have a transformative impact in the Kenyan society. Our chief guests, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, one of the unique features of our Constitution is the level of attention that it gives around the conservation and management and sustainable exploitation of the environment and what has been.
Ni kikao ambacho kinaendelea kule kwenye pwani ya Kenya, kikao ambacho tumekuwa nacho kutoka matangazo haya tukiyapeperusha tangu mwendo wa